pay your health expenses on your own here, and USA is a very expensive country and there are a lot of cost involved. So even if you book an ambulance of 2 miles, it may cost you around $2,000 to $3,000. That is USA. Hey everyone, welcome to another video, and in this video we'll be talking about a very important aspect, and that is the medical insurance. So you're ready to go, you packed your bags, you have probably dreamed yourself into another country, you are enjoying yourself, but there is a very important aspect to take into account for international students, and that is the medical insurance. So in this video I'll be talking about what exactly is medical insurance, why do you need it, obviously you need it, why do you need it, and what are the type of medical insurance. So this video is all about medical insurance. So if you're planning to go this fall 21, this video is specifically for you. And yeah, let's start. So why do you need medical insurance? The first answer will be यार चोट वोट लग गई, मर गए, कुछ हो गया, उस वजह से medical insurance लेना है. But yeah, it is right, but even in a expensive country like USA, for example, you are not insured and by God forbid you get into an accident or you get hurt, you have to pay your health expenses on your own here, and USA is a very expensive country and there are a lot of cost involved. So even if you book an ambulance of 2 miles, it may cost you around $2,000 to $3,000. That is USA is that expensive. So medical insurance is very important. You have packed your tennis or sports shoes, you have put your favorite hair like brands in it, you have packed your favorite food, but don't forget to book the medical insurance because it is very important. So now let us talk about some terminologies related to medical insurance. So I have written down a couple of them and I will be reading out and explaining you each and every one of them. So the first is a claim. By God forbid, if you get into an accident, a claim is sent, and basically you need a couple of photographs and reports to claim. And second is the premium. It is just like a Netflix subscription. You have to pay monthly for your medical insurance, but trust me, it is way less fun here. And third one is the deductible. So deductible is basically the maximum amount you have to pay before your medical insurance actually kicks in. So this is basically the maximum amount you have to pay in a year, and this is what deductible is. Fourth of all is the co-insurance. So if your deductible is exceeded or you have used your maximum deductible here, so co-insurance is basically 10% of that deductible which you have to pay. This is another part of the medical insurance which you must know. And the fifth one is the co-payment. So whenever you visit a doctor in the US, you have to pay a certain amount of fee to them, so that they take care of you. And the last term here is the in and out network. So basically when you get medical insurance, you have your medical insurance falls into two categories. First is the HMO. HMO stands for Health Maintenance Organization, and second is the PPO. PPO stands for Preferred Provider Organization. So you must know these terms and always see which organization your health insurance falls into, and then book it. So now let us talk about what actually is covered in the medical insurance. So अगर कोई न्यू इंजरी होती है या फिर न्यू इलनेस हो जाती है वहाँ पे जाके, दैट इज़ कवर्ड. क्या हम रूटीन चेकअप करा सकते हैं? नहीं, दैट इज़ नॉट कवर्ड. इफ़ देर इज़ अ emergency situation or emergency surgery, it is covered. And you can also pay a little bit extra if there is a emergency evacuation such as natural disaster. अगर भूकंप आ जाए, सुनामी आ जाए और फटाफट से भागना हो तो उसका एक्स्ट्रा पे करना पड़ता है मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस में. एंड दिस इज़ बेसिकली व्हाट इज़ कवर्ड इन द मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस एंड व्हाट इज़ नॉट. So let me give you an example here. So I researched a bit and I found that a company named Medjet, again this is not sponsored by anybody, but उसको मैंने रिसर्च किया तो थोड़ा बहुत पता चला कि they offer 24/7 transport medical insurance, and that is if something happens to you, God forbid it doesn't happen, they will transport you to your home country in a hospital 24/7, and they also have 24/7 helpline of security as well as medical helpline. You can contact them anytime. And the flip side here is that you have to pay a little bit more for them. It is obvious here. And the next thing is, if you have a chronic disease or if you have an existing disease in your home country, do take insurance of that also, because यहाँ पे आके मेडिसिन लेते रहोगे तो उसका कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. पहले ही इंश्योरेंस में उसको कवर करके लाओ. सो ऑलवेज कवर दैट इन योर इंश्योरेंस वेन एवर यू आर कमिंग टू अब्रॉड. The last thing here is that always use insurance to cover your travel expenses also. So whenever you book a flight to any other website, you go to a website and you book a flight there, there will be an option to like add a travel insurance here. For example, if you lose your luggage, lose your all your materials there, your like personal handbag, they will cover you. And you might notice that there are a lot of things. There is travel insurance, there is medical, there is security. So I also researched a bit, and I found that a particular insurance offers all of these in a single package, and that name was SafetyWing Nomad Insurance. So this is not sponsored, but this is according to my research. So always research a bit about this and then only go for it. Personally, I'm also researching about all of them. I haven't decided yet. So yeah, this was all about what is medical insurance. Now the next thing is, you may ask that what is the price. So like medical insurance are very affordable for students coming to the US, and basically they cover all your medical, travel as well as security insurance here. You just have to plan like in advance, and you have to pay it monthly. And always keep in mind that you have to keep a security deposit of $1,500 at least in case of emergency. If you have to use them in form of deductible or co-payment, you will not use them because all of this is covered in the medical insurance. But just in case, keep a security deposit of around $1,000 to $2,000 just in case you have to use that. So the last thing here are some few tips from my side, and I have written down a couple of them, so let me read out to you. So the first tip is, don't delay. As soon as you come as an F1 student, I'm assuming you are coming as a student here, you will be requiring a medical insurance because like anything can happen, right? And you will also need medical insurance like to when you're studying, when you're going for the OPT, when you're going for the H1B. So don't delay in like getting a medical insurance. Get it as soon as possible. The second tip is, double check the university's requirement. Sometimes universities require that you have a waiver, or you like include some of type of medical insurance in your existing pack. So always double check with the university if they have any specific requirements for your medical purposes. Third one is that make sure you are eligible. So whenever you opt for a medical insurance, they have a certain criteria that you must be 18 plus years of age, you must have this and that. So always check with the medical insurance company what type of eligibility requirements they are asking, and then only apply for that. And the last thing is, always know the cancellation policy here. I know you're a bright student and you are very good in English speaking, you can easily understand what the documents are all about, but cancellation policy is one thing you should keep in mind, and always like cross check with the lawyer or cross check with the medical insurance company, like how do you cancel, is there any charge in cancellation. So these all tips always keep in mind. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like the video. And basically I talked to you about what is medical insurance, what is covered in the medical insurance, some basic terms about it. And if you want to read more about it, my blog is available on my website rsmblogs.com. and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me on any of my social media handles down below. And in the next video I'll be talking about what are the type of options of medical insurance, which companies offer the best medical insurance. So stay tuned and subscribe the channel if you haven't. And yeah, इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय बाय.
So you wanna be my enemy? You should've known I'd never kiss the rain. Ice runs in